Hello everyone, welcome to Swhizz Technologies. I am Santosh. So, I will tell you a brief introduction about what is React and why, what is the importance of the React and why it is a trending technology as of now. So, let's go dive into the concept of React. So, coming to React, it's a library of the JavaScript where you will use as a single page application for the DOM manipulations. So the main use of the React is that instead of rendering the total element in the DOM, we will render only the particular node in that particular DOM tree structure, so that the user interface will be very fast and responsive. So I will tell you what is the importance of the React and advantages and why it's a trending technology in current IT industry. So before going into component based architecture, I will tell you React. React is as I said to you before, it's an like a component based structure where everything will be in a DOM tree structure in a node replacement. So for example, let's see here. Here you can see component, and individually each component will have individual, means for example here this is, let's assume it's a web page and virtual DOM is a one component, and this title MERN is a one component, and Swhizz technology symbol as another component, so that you can use this one in multiple pages without re-rendering. That is the meaning of DOM, which is called as virtual DOM. So mostly the main advantage of the virtual DOM like React is minimizing the DOM manipulations will be happen, so that the application will be the fast and the efficiency will be increased for the user point of view, so that the user experience will be seamless and drastically changed compared to the normal web browsers which are developed with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So coming to component based architecture, I have already told you, right? Component means we are dividing the complete web page into different single architectures, like one block wise, so that that same block we can use multiple ways instead of rendering total web page. Okay, so next, how we will use the React is nothing but we will write in the programming language JavaScript, but here in compared to normal web page like linking the JS file and CSS file in the HTML, we will write in a JSX format, which is a combination of JavaScript and HTML. So this is the where the JSX format we will write in the React component structure and architecture, which we will learn in the further classes. So basically the in React we will have two things majorly. One is the state and props. Sorry. State is used for handling the data and props is used for transferring the data from one component to another component. That is how we will manage the data of individual components to different components connection. As you can see in the image, this is a component A and a component B, so that name is a value which is changing from state to props. That's how transferring the data or state and props are used. So as I can here, as it's a basic introduction, hereby concluding it as React is a web technology which is a trending technology as of now, apart from Angular or Vue.js, because it's an UI interface is easy and also the development is easy from developer point of view, and security purpose, or else the build means the web development of the front end part has a less less modules, we have multiple user base, and also we have more environment, and we can use more npm modules and to get the extensions and everything, apart from compared to Angular and Vue. So hereby I conclude why importance of React in a single word has means it's an important is React compared to Angular and Vue.js. And let's continue further in detail what is React and why we are using React and further in principles in the React. Thank you.